Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Line the bottom of the sink with a protective lining that would help prevent damage to the dentures, towel, washcloth, or paper towels. Put on gloves. Apply denture cleanser paste to denture brush or toothbrush. Remove denture from cup. Handle denture carefully to avoid damage. Rinse denture under cool running water. Thoroughly brush denture inner surfaces of upper or lower denture. Thoroughly brush denture outer surfaces of upper or lower denture. Thoroughly brush denture chewing surfaces of upper or lower denture. Rinse all surfaces of denture under cool running water. Rinse denture cup and lid. Place denture in rinsed cup. Add cool, clean water to denture cup and replace lid on denture cup. Rinse equipment. Return equipment to storage. Discard sink protective lining in an appropriate container if used. Remove gloves turning inside out as they are removed and dispose in trash container. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times.